This isn't just another Tacoma. This is the Trailhunter. Nathan here with Go Auto, and we've got the keys to the most rugged mid-sized truck in the market right here in the Go Garage, the Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. Now, this isn't just a pavement princess. It's a factory-developed overlanding beast designed for guys who actually use their gear. You've got the durability that Toyota is famous for, paired with the kind of hardware that usually costs a fortune in the aftermarket. Coming over to the front, cracking open the hood, you'll find the iForce Max 2.4-liter turbo hybrid powertrain. Now, this isn't about saving pennies at the pump. It's about that instant electric boost when you're hauling or crawling. You got 326 combined horsepower and an impressive 465 pound-feet of torque that makes this four-cylinder feel like a freight train. And Toyota didn't stop with just the engine. You've got hot-stamped steel skid plates protecting the front, the transfer case, and the rear. And they went straight to the pros with Old Man Emu shock absorbers. Altogether, you've got an armored pickup that's ready for any terrain you throw at it. Sliding into the driver's seat, you'll notice they didn't skimp out on the cabin. These soft-tech seats are built to handle the grime of a workday while offering 8-way power adjustments and lumbar support to keep you comfortable. They're also ventilated, which is a must after a long day in the summer heat. The dashboard is dominated by this massive 14-inch display that runs the latest Toyota tech. Your climate controls are button operated down here, so you don't have to mess with the touchscreen when it's -25. The driver also gets a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster that keeps all your vital information right where you need it. This is also customizable with the buttons on the steering wheel to match the wants or needs of the day. Now, in the center, you have a wireless charging port next to a storage bin, which is great for your wallet or your keys. You've got a grab handle for the passenger here, and this is your dial where you select all of your different drive modes. You have your main 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. I push a button here to select drive mode, sport, eco, or normal. You've got a button for towing, mud, terrain, and snow, crawling, all in one easy-to-use spot. Now, all of this is digitally displayed as you're doing it, in case you don't know what you're doing. Now, before I get to my favorite part, I have to talk about this passenger side. You got beautiful leather accents and Toyota stamped on front. You've got a nice little compartment here, which you don't find in a lot of vehicles. And you have a hidden USB port here, which is perfect for dash cams or GoPros. But the coolest party trick has to be the JBL audio system, which has a detachable front speaker, so you can take the party outside the truck. Now, in the back, you've got a decent amount of space here, so your friends aren't going to be eating their knees. You've got these really nice roof swells on the top of the roof here that give you extra headroom, which I like. You've got charging ports, USB-C, and wall outlet to keep all your devices alive. You'll notice these seats also fold up, but with this being the hybrid, this is where the battery components are stored. So if you want to store anything in this truck in the back, it goes on top of your leather seats. You've also got these really well-placed grab handles here in the back, making you feel a little safe when things get scary. Now let's talk numbers. The Tacoma is rated to pull 6,000 pounds. And if you're loading up the bed, you've got a payload maximum of 1,610 pounds. Punches well above its weight class for a mid-sized pickup. Now the bed itself is 6 feet long. You've got a built-in utility bar and removable mole panels for securing all of your gear. On the passenger side, you have a built-in compartment for storage, although I wish it could be locked. On the same side, you have a 400-watt AC outlet. And my favorite feature on the driver's side, you have a built-in air compressor. Combine that with the power, you can run pneumatic tools, turning this truck into a mobile workstation. Now, raising the tailgate is really easy with just a slight touch, and the hydraulics lift it up for you. In the back, you've got a steel rear bumper for that extra durability for off-roading. You also have standard red towing hooks that are bolted in for serious work. In terms of safety, you've got a surround view camera here, which gives you a bird's eye view so you aren't guessing where your corners are when things get tight. Now, from the side, the stance on this thing is aggressive. It's sitting on 18-inch Trailhunter alloy wheels that are wrapped in 33-inch RT all-terrain tires. That gives you serious clearance and traction for Alberta mud and deep snow. You've got rock rails on the sides protecting the sills from damage, and a high mount air intake to keep that engine breathing clean air when you're kicking up dust on a gravel road. All of these details put together prove that the Trailhunter was built for people and by people who actually go off-road. Now, the face of this truck is a statement. You've got Toyota embedded in the grille with a built-in LED light bar that turns night into day. It's framed by dual LED headlamps that have Trailhunter stamped and illuminated on the side, giving this an unmistakable presence on the road. Finishing it off, you've got Rigid Industries dual fog lamps that give you great visibility in whatever the weather throws at you. And in case your buddy gets stuck, you've got dual bright red recovery hooks here in the front that can handle it with ease. The Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter is the no-nonsense answer for anybody who needs a truck to have fun with. From the hybrid assisted torque to all of the factory installed elements, it's a complete package. To learn more, head to goauto.ca or visit any of our Toyota dealerships.